When high pressure must be controlled. When vitally important pumps must be protected. Immerse yourself in the world of Schroedahl. Our pump protection valves guarantee the minimum flow of centrifugal pumps in power, industrial, and process plants of the oil and gas industry. From low pressures to extremely high pressures of up to 640 bar. Our trustworthy solutions are well known in the chemical industry. They control the processes of steam and water cycles and ensure the regulation of the chemical media. In the power sector, our control valves can be found in small processing plants, as well as major fossil and nuclear power plants, with an output of up to 1,600 megawatt. We set the bar very high when it comes to quality. We meet the highest quality requirements in terms of material and machining, no matter where our valves are installed. Our sophisticated CNC machinery enables highly precise machining of corrosion-resistant duplex steels and high-quality titanium alloys besides standard materials. State-of-the-art equipment, 3D CAD engineering, which is supported by our CAM system, leaves nothing to chance. This enables us to exceed set standards worldwide. Seat leakage, pressure, and flow rates of all Schroedahl valves are checked on our own testing stations. Only perfectly manufactured valves leave our company, and they are most durable. Therefore, we make sure that we can manufacture any spare part you might require, even after decades. We constantly share our know-how, and we instruct pump manufacturers, plant designers, operators, as well as service and maintenance personnel all around the world. If you send us a specification for a product, do not be surprised if we suggest a more economical and durable version. Take a look at our maintenance movies and learn how to prolong the lifetime of your valves. Innovation based on tradition. In over 50 years, we have gained comprehensive application know-how in the business of flow and pressure. Highly sophisticated analysis tools and computer fluid dynamic simulation programs provide us with important information on the potential for optimization. The experience-based estimation of the thermodynamic effects allows us to predict the actual behavior of media and materials. This way, we can be sure that there will be no unforeseen surprises. Nature, politics, and the planet's resources are forcing us to find new solutions. We are already a step ahead. In our Flow Laboratory, our R&D department is constantly researching and developing new advanced solutions for you and for the future of your business. Consistent development and adherence to the highest safety standards makes us the world leader in the segment of automatic pump protection valves, and we feel comfortable in the high-pressure zone. Proven top quality can only be achieved through best training and high motivation. Our ingenious and innovative staff have their share of the company's success. Exceptional solutions and the production of approximately 3,000 to 4,000 customized pump protection valves per year are only possible thanks to the skills and enthusiasm of our staff. We are a talent factory in the business of flow and pressure. Whether 10 or 640 bar, whether water, oil, or gas, highest competence, highest quality, most flexible production and solutions beyond standards. Schroedahl, we protect your business.